Hi, my name is Brandy Wesley and welcome to my PowerPoint. Today I'll be giving you 5 ways to make your writing easier to read. Having a good writing style takes energy and effort, but is well worth the work. A good style can make every document more effective. A good style can help you make the good writer so valuable to every organization. Step 1. Use words that are accurate, appropriate, and familiar. Knowing how to use accurate words means you know what to say. Appropriate words can help the attitude you want and can fit into the other words in the document. Accurate denotations also must match the meaning the writer wishes to convey. Appropriate connotations must convey the attitude you want, especially with emotional associations or colorings. It is best to use familiar words that is more attached to your meaning. When two words mean the same thing, choose the shorter, more common one. For example, affect and effect, amongst slash between, amount slash number, different from, different than, farther and further, fewer and less, imply, infer, and lie and lay. 2. Use technical jargon, sparingly, eliminate business jargon. There are 2 types of jargons. One is specialized terminology of the technical field, and the second kind is the businessy that some writers still use. Public figures like using the jargon of the technical field more. A job application is one of the reasons you should use a technical jargon. This helps the reader suggest that you are the peer for the job. Technical jargons only should be used when a term is essential and known to the reader. A business jargon isn't necessary, and some writers call it deadwood since it is no longer. 3. Use active voice most of the time. A verb is an active voice if the grammatical subject of the sentence does the action the verb describes. A verb is in passive voice when it is acted upon. Passive has nothing to do with the past but can be past, present, or future. It is made up of the verb to be plus a past participle. If the verb describes something that the grammatical subject is doing, then it is active voice. To change from passive to active voice, you must make the agent the new subject. If there is no agent, you must supply one to make the sentence active. For example, a passive voice sentence will be, the request was approved by the plant manager. Turned into active voice, the plant manager approved the request. 4. Use verbs, not nouns, to carry the weight of your sentence. Having your weight of the sentence in the verb makes your sentence more forceful and makes it at least 25% more easier to read. When the verb can be revised, it can be revised to be a more forceful verb. Example: weak must make an adjustment, make a payment, and make a decision. A better choice would be adjust, pay, and decide. 5. Eliminate wordiness. Writing is wordy. Using fewer words or even paraphrasing can still allow an author to relate or express the same message. The usage of unnecessary words can cause an increase in writing time. However, increasing writing time has an effect on the audience, which causes boredom to settle in, makes the topic more difficult to understand and follow since the reader has to process as many words at one time. It builds too much stress on the brain. Good writing is concise. However, it still can be lengthy. Concise writing has the capability of being long for several reasons. The main reason is due to the fact it can be compacted with details. Thanks for watching my slideshow on 5 ways to make writing easier.